channel. I'm Sangeeta. Welcome to my channel. It's been really long and I say that in all my videos because I lack in filming content. But yes, today I'm going to tell you about the different types of sunscreen that Wow Skin Science offers. So let's get started. I'm going to start talking about my favorite range of matte finish sunscreens from Wow Skin Science. So there are 3 different SPFs available in this range. Sun protection factor SPFs available in this range. So let's start with the first one. I have a new one. I have been using this like another bottle previously, so I know how good this is. This saves your skin from both UVA and UVB rays. This is dermatologically tested. It's water resistant, although I would definitely ask you to reapply if you sweat too much, and you can carry it. This is plastic bottle, so if you go swimming, because swimming comes first, it's my favorite sport. So if you go swimming, the sunscreen might rip off definitely, so you can definitely reapply it if you have it with you. And it is priced at rupees 375 for 100 ml of product. And the main ingredients in these are carrot seed oil, raspberry extract, and avocado oil. So I really think you can try out using this specifically in summers. You can use it indoors, and in rainy season or winters you can use it outdoors. This one, I think it's specifically good for people who have very greasy skin, because this is matte finish and it is actually matte finish. And also another thing that I must tell you is, whenever you go out, apply your sunscreen at least 15 to 20 minutes prior you go out, because there will be a white film visible on your skin, which is not very appealing. So let it for those 15 to 20 minutes and let the sunscreen disappear, and then you can step out in the sun with full protection from UVA and UVB rays. And the second sunscreen is SPF 45. It has everything is similar price wise, all the ingredient wise, everything is similar, except that this is SPF 45, so there's going to be a little more protection whenever you are going out applying this one. And the third one is SPF 55. I think for summers, Indian summers, this is the best sunscreen. So everything is again same, except the fact that this is SPF 55, which means a higher range of protection from both UVA and UVB rays. If you're someone who needs to go out every day and work under the sun amongst the pollution, in the midst of the pollution, then here is a sunscreen for you. This is Wow Skin Science anti-pollution sunscreen, 100 ml for rupees 399. This is dermatologically tested and it contains licorice extract and vitamin B3, and it is perfect for all skin types. This is a skin shield against all the pollution and UVA and UVB rays. So this is like an all-in-one sunscreen that can be used by women who work outside. This is water resistant and it offers an SPF of 40. This is 100% vegan, dermatologically tested, cruelty free, formulated in USA and made in the Himalayas. And last but not the least is the SPF. The last one, which I really like for people who have extremely dry skin in winter, this is the one perfect for them. So this is SPF 50 AM to PM sunscreen. This is priced at rupees 385 for 100 ml of product, and I really like the smell of it. This one smells really good, and this is again in a lotion form, and this offers broad spectrum against UVA and UVB rays, and it's meant for all skin types. But trust me, if you have extremely dry skin for winters, this can be your savior. And this one is free from paraben, silicone, mineral oil, benzopanone, water resistant. But definitely if you sweat too much in the summers, I don't think you should use this one in the summers though. If you sweat too much, or if you are doing any water related activity, you need to reapply it. You can carry it in your bag, of course. And this is bioactive skincare, so I think you should definitely give it a try, because these are like gluten-free products. And if you purchase any products from Wow Skin Science, don't forget to apply the code Sangeeta, SANGEETA, and you will get an extra discount on your Wow Skin Science purchase. So that's it for this video. I will be back with a new video very soon, so stay tuned. And another thing that I must tell you is to scan QR codes to know about the authenticity of the product that you have purchased, and also you can get to know more like the other products as well when you visit their site and app. So you can do that as well, because Wow Skin Science actually offers various and different types of products all over India, Nepal, Bhutan, everywhere. So I think you should definitely give them a try, and I really like these two as well. Like, my favorite range is, because of my skin type, my favorite range is definitely the matte finish ones, but these are good too. Specifically, I love using them during winter, and for the summers and rainy season, the matte finish is the perfect one. Also, they offer it in a spray, I think in a mist form, which I do not have. But if you want a sunscreen that's in a mist form, you can try that one too. I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.